You are in a restaurant. You feel hungry. The waiter comes to you, but you do not know what to say. You feel nervous. You look at the menu, but you are not sure. What can you say? Today, you will learn simple English for ordering food. You will listen, repeat, and practice. By the end, you will feel more confident. Hello and welcome. Today, we will learn easy and useful English for ordering food. These phrases are simple. You can use them in real life. Speak slowly. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? I would like this. I would like this. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I will have a chicken sandwich. I will have a chicken sandwich. Can I get some water? Can I get some water? That's all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you. Can I have the bill? Can I have the bill? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Great job. Now let's repeat the most important phrases again. Speak slowly. Excuse me. Can I see the menu? I would like this. That's all. Thank you. Now let's practice with simple dialogues. Listen first, then repeat. Waiter. Hello. Customer. Excuse me. Customer. Can I see the menu? Waiter. Yes, here you are. Now you repeat. Customer. Excuse me. Customer. Can I see the menu? Good. Let's continue. Waiter. Are you ready to order? Customer. Yes. I would like this. Customer. I will have a chicken sandwich. Waiter. Okay. Anything else? Customer. Can I get some water? Now you repeat. Customer. I would like this. Customer. I will have a chicken sandwich. Customer. Can I get some water? Nice work. Waiter. Here's your food. Customer. Thank you very much. Waiter, you're welcome. Customer. Can I have the bill? Excellent. You are learning fast. Now, let's practice a little more. Listen and answer. Waiter. Hello. What do you want? What will you say? You can say, excuse me. Can I see the menu? Good. Waiter. Are you ready to order? What will you say? You can say, I would like this. I will have a chicken sandwich. Great job. Waiter. Anything else? What will you say? You can say, that's all. Thank you. Perfect. Waiter. Do you want the bill? What will you say? You can say, can I have the bill? Excellent work. You are doing very well. Practice these sentences every day. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Try to use these phrases in real life. When you go to a restaurant, remember these words. Let's continue with more practice. Now we will do longer conversations. Listen carefully, then repeat. Now let's do a quick quiz. Listen and answer. Waiter. Hello. What will you say? You can say, hello. Excuse me. Good. Waiter. Do you want to see the menu? What will you say? You can say, yes. Can I see the menu? Nice. Waiter. What do you want to eat? What will you say? You can say, I would like this. I will have a chicken sandwich. Great. Waiter. Do you want onions? What will you say? You can say, no onions, please. Perfect. Waiter. Anything else? What will you say? You can say, that's all. Thank you. Very good. Waiter. Here's your bill. What will you say? You can say, thank you very much. Amazing job. Now let's say all the main phrases one last time. Speak with confidence. Excuse me. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I would like this. I will have a chicken sandwich. Can I get some water? No onions, please. That's all. Thank you. Can I have the bill? Thank you very much. You did a great job today. Keep practicing these sentences every day. Speak slowly and clearly. Try to use English when you order food. Subscribe to this channel for more slow and easy English lessons. Practice every day with us. Keep practicing every day, and English will become easy.